Hello and welcome to Team 14's infrared cat toy, which is hopefully more fun than this cat is having.
Hi, I'm Scott. I'm a junior and I'm a CS concentrator.
I'm Phoebe. I'm a junior and I'm a neurobio concentrator.
I'm Stefan and I'm a senior and I'm a CS concentrator.
So shown here we have one of our rotational pieces that's connected to a servo, and you could see 4 IR sensors and a laser that shines the light, and they're all connected and sending information to the Arduino shown here at the base, which will basically tell the base where to rotate.
Basically, this picks up IR light pulsing at 38 kilohertz from a cat collar. You can see here our fashionable TF Bryan modeling it. So we're just doing proof of concept right now and showing that the LED sensor lights up this LED when the infrared light gets close enough.
So this sensor right here is hooked up down to this breadboard and then wired up to this LED. So whenever this detects infrared light, this LED should light up. So this is providing a square wave at 38 kilohertz to these IR LEDs. And you can see that when I put my hand over them, the light goes out because this receiver isn't getting anything. And when I let go, light is on.